Want to grow potatoes but you don't have a ton of space? Gonna make sure you watch this. You can use either a grow bag, a bucket, a half a whiskey barrel, a laundry basket. You can get really creative here. Just make sure it has drainage. Add about 6 inches of good soil. Push your seed potatoes into the dirt, eyes pointing up. Just make sure you have a couple inches of dirt covering the top. Get your soil nice and moist, and then just watch your potatoes grow. You're going to end up with these nice, tall, green, leafy plants. As you get an additional 6 inches of growth, each time you want to keep adding new soil. Everywhere you put new soil, against those green leaves that are sprouting out, there's going to be new potatoes that will start growing. You're going to keep doing this until your bag is completely full like mine. Just make sure you just keep the soil nice and moist. And you'll know that these are ready to harvest once your greens start to die off. Then you'll just dump over your bag and see what you got.